13 says, a survey of 496 students at a college found that 10% planned on traveling out of the country during spring break. So the sample here would be the 496 students at a college. And again, a sample is representative of an entire population. So the population would be all students at a college. And then lastly, the statistic would be the 10%. So 10% plan to travel out of the country. Throughout this course, we are going to be looking at the two branches of statistics. So the first branch is descriptive statistics, which is the branch of statistics that involves the organization, summarization, and display of data. So this is things like tables, graphs, and charts. The second branch is inferential statistics, and this is the branch of statistics that involves using a sample to draw conclusions about a population. So this is things like making a guess or prediction about a population parameter, comparing a guess or prediction with a sample statistic, and determining if a guess or prediction is valid using probability.